Hey family, this is Essie back with a harvest video for today. So today we're going to be harvesting some more peppers. As I said before, they come in abundance. So we're going to start here up on my deck and we're going to harvest some potatoes, and then we're going to work our way down to my grow table. And then we have some watermelon that's ready, and I'm really excited about that because I've been watching those watermelons and really caring for them, hoping that no pests will get to them. So let's get these fresh veggies and fruits. So yeah, we got a nice handful over here, and like I said, they just keep coming. Let's see, we got like 3 over here. Another one over here. Some of them we could take off, but we're gonna give them a little bit more time, let them grow some more. Got one big one down here just hanging on, and we're gonna prune that back so we get some air circulation on that one. And I think we got another one here. We'll take this one, and then we'll give the rest of them some time to grow some more. So that's a nice handful of jalapeno peppers. Yes. And let's move my little tripod over here. We got some black beauties that's almost ready, not quite. I'm gonna let them hang on there a little bit longer. We got 2 that's about ready. We're gonna leave those be, and we got some babies that's still coming in. And we're gonna let those hang on till probably next week, and then we'll harvest those as well. And we're gonna work our way down, into the yard. Come on, guys. It's been a real busy day for me today. Started very early this morning and worked hard out here. So as you can see, we got some peppers that are ready. We got some tomatoes that I'm working hard to save those. I think I explained that to you guys last week. And yeah, we got some peppers that we can actually get from this spot over here. As you can see, those are still coming in. Look at there right there. How nice are those? Gonna make some great sofrito. I'm gonna bring you guys a sofrito video. Give me a few more days. Yep. And we have some more jalapenos over here. Look at that one. A little weird shape, but it's still a good harvest. We got a few more back here. There's some more. And hopefully they'll begin to produce. Yeah, we have some that's coming in, so we're gonna leave those. There's some babies there, see? Got some babies there. And we're gonna just leave those on there and let them grow some more. And then over here, let's go, guys. Come on. Y'all gotta see how hard I've been working on my watermelon, my crimson sweet. So here we go. I've been working really hard and managing this watermelon vine, making sure these pests don't tear up my vine and ruin my feeding line that's here. And let's see what we're gonna do. From what I understand, they say the first tendril that's next to the watermelon stem is when it turns brown. You see that right there? It's turned brown. They say that's when you're supposed to harvest your watermelon and it's ready. So I did leave it on here a little bit longer because I wanted to make sure. And they say knock on it. And I mean, it's hard, but I do believe it's ready. So we're gonna take that one off and let me brag on it a little bit. Yeah. So there's one. Yeah, I'm real proud of this one right here. This is one of my first ones, and I've been watching this baby. So there's one. And then we have another one over here. And again, the tendril has dried up. So I created these little hammocks because they do get heavy. They probably about, I would say maybe close to 2 pounds. So they get heavy and you want that support so that they don't pop off and ruin the feed line. Look at there, y'all. Look at there, y'all. There. Look, look, look. Isn't she beautiful? I'm so excited.
The same size as that one.
Yeah. So as you can see, we still have some more that's growing. We got 2 babies over here, and they're hanging on. We're gonna be coming to the end of the season when it comes to these watermelons. So it's still hot here, it's still burning up, and then we have one that I just set right here in my sweet potato pot. That's my sweet potato pot. So yeah, you guys, try to push that vine in there, train that vine up. So yeah, you guys, that's my harvest for today, and I'm really excited. It's so much fun to be able to come out into your yard and grab your groceries. Yeah. And then here's the finishing up of my 4th raised bed. And again, just a recap of what I planted was it's a cold weather lettuce, and I planted some oriental greens and some dwarf kale and also some carrots. So these seeds will probably germinate within a week or 2. And this one I planted last week, and actually the seeds are already germinating in here. So I'm really excited, y'all. So those are actually all my flower beds are planted now, the big ones anyway. And then the first 2 that I did over here, which are doing really well. And this is a little update on the broccoli, the collards, and over there the red cabbage, and also collards over there as well. So you can see that the transplants are doing well. If you come in closer, you can see the seedlings already begin to germinate on the collard green seeds that I planted on this side, and also the broccoli and kale. So yeah, you guys, that is my harvest for today, and I will bring you guys another video probably next week. I'm going to try to post a video at least once a week, or even maybe 2 videos once a week, so that I can continue to encourage, you know, my friends and family to get out there growing. So I thank you, and I hope that you like, subscribe, and thumbs up this video on my harvest today. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace, love, and light.